My Leatherman Wave, 10 years on. It ain't been collecting dust. If you want to know more, then stay tuned. Hi folks, it's Jeff Leatherman here. And in 2012, I got my first Leatherman multi-tour, the Leatherman Wave. And I can't begin to count the amount of times that I have used it over the past 10 years. Or damn near 10 years now. And since then, I fell in love with Leatherman. And I've got quite a few. But this is my first, and it certainly still to this day sees a lot of use. So let's quickly go over the tool set. And there's a lot of outside tools that you can get to before you actually even open the Wave up. There is a nice straight edge knife blade there, and it's on a liner lock, as you can see there. One hand opening, one hand closing. On the same side, just here, we have got a very competent wood saw, and this also actually works excellent as a striker for your ferro rods. This is pull cut only, and damn sharp. I've used it a few times. On the other side, we have got this serrated edge blade here. Single grind, of course, because it's serrated. And it's still damn sharp after all these years. On the same side, we've got a double-sided file. Well, triple-sided, in fact. You have the normal file here. On the bottom here, there's another file, which is great for notching wood and metal. And on this side, you have a diamond file for touching up the knife blades. And that works great. So, as well, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to show this or not, there is some gradients here. And I don't think my camera is quite going to do it. But there's inches on one side and centimeters on the other. I don't actually use it, but it's there should you want to. Okay, opening the tool up. And we've got our pliers here. Needle nose pliers. You've got your regular plier here. You've got your wire snippers here. And if you see this spot back here, that is your hardwire cutters. And they work really well. This is the model that came out before the replaceable ones, which you can get on the Wave Plus. Okay, now the inside tools. There's a few of those. We got a nice pair of scissors. They're quite small, but they're sharp, and they're quite accurate. They work quite well. And all of these tools work on a locking system, and you can see the locking mechanism just there. You push it in, close it. Okay, next on this side, we have got a large flathead screwdriver, which actually works extremely well as a pry bar for light prying tests like opening paint cans and things of that nature. And again, that works with the locking button on the back. Third on this side is the micro screwdriver. It's Phillips head on one end, and you can pull this out and turn it around and get small flathead on the other end. Perfect for things like glasses. and any time that you're working with small electronics. Okay, moving over to the other side, we have got two tools in here. One is the can opener, and as you can see, this has opened a few cans in its day, and still does. Works damn fine. Again with that lock. And one of the best tools that I find on this unit is the screwdriver with the replaceable bits. Here we've got a Phillips head, and if you turn it over, you've got a flathead. And there's bits you can buy, the Leatherman bit kit, which I'll show you here. And that gives you a multitude of different bits that will work with your Leatherman Wave. Another thing that you can use with the bit driver here is the bit extender. Which you can put it in like so, and then put your bits in like that. And that gives you an extended reach, which works really well. And also, this bit extender, which has some knurling here, actually works as a good screwdriver just in its own right. And I've done a review on this. Okay. Now on one of these sides, this one here, you might see that little empty slot there. And that's so you can actually insert, make sure I get it right. There we go. A pocket clip. And this also works well for a lanyard hole, which you can get. It actually comes with the pocket clip. I don't have that right in front of me at the moment. But speaking of lanyard holes, this actually has a built-in one. And I'm just going to try to find that for you now. I know what it is. If you go to the outside, and then go open your saw blade, and underneath the saw blade, you need a key or something like that. Push it down, and there is a built-in lanyard hole just there, and that swivels. So there you go. It comes with a 25-year warranty. I've had it for less than half that time, and it sees multiple use all the time. So it's one of the slightly heavier ones as far as the Leatherman multi-tools go. And for everyday use, I generally use something like the Skeletor, which is a lot less weight, but also a lot less features. However, this still sees a lot of pocket time, and a lot of time in a belt pouch. I love it, and I'm looking forward to the next 10 years with it. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for today. My Leatherman Wave, 10 years on. And we'll be talking to you again soon. In the meantime, this is Jeff Slavin saying take care, behave yourself, and stay tooled up. See you later, folks. Bye.